Shona Handichavaregerera, vakanditengesa. Yeah, Waile Softs, rising from ashes. DJ Zandimaz, you switched on me. Used my voice, took the vibe, then you dipped on me. Albums dropped, 0 streams, YouTube dry. I cried in silence while these vultures flew high. Zimbabwe scene full of blocked doors. Backstabbers in suits, fake awards galore. But I still code beats with Tadex at night. Even pain got rhythm if you hold it tight.
Je t'aimais mais tu m'as trahi. Ndakarwatiswa vakandisiya, but now I know I had to free ya. True love, do I left? Shen say I ghosted me next. Yeah, me alla day play tricks. Tell me more, you said love then dipped.
So I'm flying out Brooklyn dreams. Restart the vibe, rebuild the team. Saying flu can't match my stream. Volts, I rap while I'm asleep.
I rise like a phoenix in lights. They betrayed me, but I still write. From a hurricane to New York nights, I'm reborn in stars and city heights.
Shilpa Seti with the fire curves. Got a queen who knows what I deserve. Better than Swift and tighter than Kim. We making legends, not just whims. Moyo wangu ulitomwa, lakini siwezi anguka.
Dame força para seguir. Give me strength to keep going.
Lost love made me colder. My dreams just got bolder. Oscars, Grammys, see them glow. I'm the artist the whole world gon' know.
Mi corazón fue puro, but y'all used it like it's euro.
Now I'm gold, global flame. Y'all play checkers, I'm in the game.
Ngizophumela, izoina.
I will succeed.
Grambi yangu ilikuya.
My Grammy is coming. Brooklyn, Phoenix, Grammy, rise.
Oh, I rise like a phoenix in lights. They betrayed me, but I still write. From her pain to New York nights, I'm reborn in stars and city heights.
Shilpa Seti, baby, you're the muse. Our love tight like vintage shoes. They said I'd lose, but I refused. Now I shine with worldwide views. To those who block me,
I'm ready for the fire. To those who love me,